And now we're going to make some cuts, which are traditional of the fougasse, okay? So I'm going to make 2 down the middle, just using my scraper to cut through that dough, and 3 on the side. You want to cut all the way through, okay? We then want to extend these, okay, by teasing the dough out, because we don't want these holes to close once our fougasse is baked, okay? So I'm just teasing the dough to enlarge the holes, okay? If you think you haven't cut wide enough, we'll go ahead and cut again, okay? I am very pleased with that. Okay, so some olive oil on top. You're going to drizzle some olive oil on top of your fougasse. And then we are going to rub it in. Okay, you can also, if you want to use a pastry brush, you can also brush it on, okay? I'm just using my fingers here.